Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top life hacks that can help you achieve a luxurious life. And no, I'm not talking about driving a Lamborghini or owning a yacht. Luxury is about having the freedom to live life on your own terms, to pursue your passions, and to enjoy the finer things in life without stressing about money. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 5 key strategies that have helped me personally achieve a life of abundance, and more importantly, how you can implement them too, starting today. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but rather proven, long-term strategies that, when applied consistently, can dramatically improve your financial well-being and overall quality of life. So, if you're ready to upgrade your life and start living like the best version of yourself, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get started. The first step to a luxurious life is investing in yourself. You are your greatest asset. Think about it. Every dollar you earn, every relationship you build, every experience you have, all stems from your ability to learn, grow, and adapt. Now, investing in yourself can take many forms. It could be investing in your education by taking online courses, attending seminars, or even going back to school. It could be learning a new skill that could boost your income or open up new opportunities. Or it could be as simple as investing in your health and well-being through exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. The key takeaway here is this: the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities will present themselves to you. So, make a commitment today to invest in yourself and watch your life transform. Let's be real, you can't live a luxurious life if you're constantly stressed about money. That's why mastering your finances is crucial, and it all starts with creating a budget. I know. Budgeting sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the foundation of financial freedom. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Where is your money actually going? You might be surprised by how much you're spending on things you don't even need. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start allocating your money towards your goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, investing for retirement, or yes, even treating yourself to something nice. Remember, financial discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So start small, be consistent, and watch your financial situation improve dramatically over time. You've probably heard the saying, "It's not what you know, it's who you know." Well, in the journey to a luxurious life, that statement holds a lot of weight. Building a strong network of successful and like-minded individuals can open doors to incredible opportunities, provide invaluable advice, and expose you to new perspectives. Now, networking doesn't have to be intimidating. It's simply about building genuine relationships with people who share similar interests or goals. Attend industry events, join online communities, or even reach out to someone you admire for a virtual coffee chat. Remember, every interaction is a chance to learn, grow, and expand your network. So put yourself out there, be authentic, and watch as your network becomes one of your most valuable assets. A luxurious life is not just about financial abundance. It's about living a life of fulfillment and well-being. And you can't truly enjoy the fruits of your labor if you're not taking care of your health, both physically and mentally. Prioritizing your health means making conscious choices each day that support your well-being. This could include incorporating regular exercise into your routine, even if it's just a 30-minute walk. It means nourishing your body with whole, nutritious foods that give you energy and vitality. And just as important as physical health is mental health. Take time for yourself to de-stress, unwind, and recharge. Whether it's meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies you love, make mental well-being a non-negotiable part of your routine. Time is the one resource that we can never get back. It's the ultimate equalizer. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference lies in how we choose to spend that time. Effective time management is crucial for living a luxurious life because it allows you to prioritize what truly matters and create space for the things you love. Start by identifying your biggest time wasters. Are you spending hours scrolling through social media, binge-watching TV shows, or getting bogged down in unproductive meetings? Once you've pinpointed those time sucks, look for ways to minimize or eliminate them entirely. Instead, dedicate your time to activities that align with your goals and bring you closer to the life you envision. This could be spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing a passion project, or simply taking some time for yourself to relax and recharge. Thanks for watching. If you found these life hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living a luxurious life. Remember, building a life of abundance isn't about chasing material possessions. It's about designing a life filled with purpose, joy, and freedom. It's about having the financial security to pursue your passions, the health and well-being to enjoy life to the fullest, and the time freedom to spend with the people you love, doing the things that bring you joy. Start implementing these strategies today and watch as your life transforms into the luxurious masterpiece you deserve. Until next time.